sulfur plays a vital role in life. It is essential for biosynthesis of proteins. Additionally, it plays a significant role as a lowering agent. Various allotropes of sulfur are formed due to differences in crystal structures. These vary from one another in terms of density and color. The most prevalent form of sulfur is called cyclooctaSulfur, or S8 for short. This allotrope has a mostly crystalline structure and exhibits greater stability when compared to other types. Sulfur-oxidizing bacteria are important in soil ecosystems. These bacteria oxidize reduced sulfur through sulfide oxidase. They play a crucial role in removing sulfur pollution. Sulfur is a byproduct of oil and gas production. It is available in various forms including granular sulfur, gaseous sulfur, and liquid sulfur. Several studies have shown that children living near elemental sulfur applications have increased asthma symptoms. Researchers studied hundreds of children in Salinas Valley, California. They found that a 10-fold increase in sulfur was associated with a doubled risk of respiratory symptoms. Similarly, children living in proximity to sulfur-contaminated fields had reduced lung function. The study's authors called for further research and possible changes in the application process. Sulfur's chemistry evolution is not dissimilar to the histories of other elements. It is one among the most prevalent elements found throughout the cosmos. The atomic weight of sulfur is 2.07 grams per cubic centimeter. It has 6 valence electrons in the outer shell. Sulfur has been known since ancient times. It is the 10th most abundant chemical element in the universe. In the early 21st century, the major producers of sulfur were Canada, Germany, and China. However, the largest market was the Gulf Coast salt domes. Sulfur was mined underground and recovered using the Frasch process. In the Frasch process, sulfur was heated to a certain temperature and injected with superheated water. The result was a very pure liquid. The process was named after chemist Hermann Frasch. The process allowed the recovery of 75% to 92% of the sulfur from the salt domes. This process continues in Russia and Poland. Throughout the world, sulfur is found in many different forms. Sulfur is present in the amino acids, methionine and cysteine. It can also be found in the sulfate fertilizer cinnabar. Sulfur is also present in the sulfate ores, zinc blende, and iron pyrites. It is present in large natural deposits. It is also one of the elements that composes all living cells. Sulfur occurs naturally in sulfates and inorganic compounds, and is also produced through chemical processes. It is a major component of a variety of products, including gunpowder, explosives, and sheet metal. Sulfur is found naturally in the environment as sulfides. Traditionally, sulfur was produced in the form of hydrosulfuric acid. Sulfur is produced by A-capture in the inner layers of massive stars. It is released into the interstellar medium, ISM, through Type II supernova. It is also produced naturally by the decay of organic sulfur. It is often found near volcanoes. Among the many properties of sulfur, one of the most important is its tastelessness. In addition, it is a powerful reducing agent. During combustion, it burns with a blue flame. During the burning process, it releases sulfur oxides, namely, nitric oxide and sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas that has a pungent odor. Sulfur has a powerful antioxidant and antifungal activities. It is a highly reactive element. It reacts strongly with other metals to form sulfur oxides. These oxides are soluble in water and can be used to make sulfurous acid. The oxidation states of sulfur are -2, +4, and +6. Hydrogen sulfide is the most familiar hydride of sulfur. Sulfur is a very important element for a number of different applications, from the creation of plastics to the production of pharmaceutical drugs. It is a component of many common mineral salts and has several other uses. In order to prevent powdery mildew from spreading across orchards, sulfur is often used. It can combine with nearly all other elements, and is used in the manufacture of many chemicals. It is used in detergents, fungicides, batteries, fireworks, gunpowder, and corrosion-resistant concrete. Several applications of sulfur are considered in the mining industry. Among these, one of the largest is for production of sulfuric acid. This acid is used in a variety of applications, such as making batteries, fertilizers, and fibers. Sulfur-related processes have been extensively studied in biological phenomena and molecular biology. They have applications in agrobiotechnology and cellular biology. Sulfur has been put to service in a broad range of applications all throughout human history. It has been used as a chemical clock, a fire accelerant, incendiary weapons, and for pyrotechnical displays. Sulfur is one of the most important basic chemical commodities. It is also used in veterinary medicinal salves. Sulfur is also a major component of enzymes and hormones. In ancient times, sulfur dioxide was used in homes as a fumigant. It was also used as a pigment in cave paintings. Sulfur is widely used in agriculture, especially in Europe, where it is approved for use in organic crops. However, the wide application of sulfur may pose a health and environmental risk.